would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today we're doing a relaxing clean and decorate with me. I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking in this video. I just want to give you guys some cleaning motivation, and I'm also going to be changing up some things in my living room area. Today I'm using a Method multi-purpose spray. This is in lime and sea salt, so you'll see me using that throughout my living space. I love this scent. It's actually really refreshing, especially for the springtime. It just gives off a really nice citrusy scent, so I like using that. So that's what I'm going to be cleaning my furniture with in today's video.
And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning.
I always get a lot of questions regarding these lamps here on my entryway table. I did purchase them from Home Goods, but the tag did say first in design by Uttermost. So maybe if you search in the Google, hopefully it'll pop up somewhere else where you'll be able to grab these lamps if you're interested in buying them.
Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that.
I would like to thank our sponsor for today's video, Squarespace. Squarespace is an online website builder in which they give people a beautiful online platform in which to create your own custom website. You can use your Squarespace website to connect with your audience and generate revenue through gated members-only content. You can also use it to help manage your members, send email communications, and leverage audience insights all in one easy-to-use platform. Create a community on your Squarespace website with a fully integrated commenting system that supports threaded comments, replies, and likes. Use their powerful blogging tools to help categorize, share, and schedule your posts as well. Squarespace also offers extensions, and with this, you can use these to help manage your inventory, promote products, and streamline bookkeeping. You can also use it to do daily posts from your social profiles as well. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/decorate made easy to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. So I wanted to change the look of my entryway, so I'm going to be refreshing it. So I found these decorative boxes from Kirkland's. I really was drawn to these because they have a linen or a faux linen material on them, and then the sides have like this faux velvet as well. Really cute. They're really neutral, and I thought they would fit the vibe of my space. I love using these decorative boxes around the house because they're just really good for storing things that you don't want people to see, you know, your car keys or lighters or anything like that. So I always use these. So the smaller one was $19.99, and then the larger one was $24.99.
Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
I'm going to be adding these decorative jars on my table as well. I had these jars for a few years now. I did purchase them from Home Goods. They're worth $29.99 each. So I'm going to be adding it. And I'm going to be staggering one on top of the decorative boxes because they are both the same size. So to elevate one, I'm just going to put one on top of those faux linen boxes. Then I'm going to add in this floral arrangement that I created. The vase is from Target, and the floral stems is from a mixture of places of Hobby Lobby and Michael's. I'm also going to be adding in these decorative taper candles as well. These are also from Kirkland's. And then I found these really cute taper candles from the Target dollar spot one day when I was in there shopping. They kind of got this ombre gold and white effect, which I absolutely love. I thought it'll fit my space really nicely, so I'm going to add them to the taper candle holders. Now, I usually don't decorate for Easter as far as bunnies and rabbits and things like that, but I found there's a really cute rabbit from the Target dollar spot as well, so I'm just going to add it to those little decorative boxes.
You smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
Now I'm just going to go ahead and clean off my bookshelf. I always get a lot of questions regarding this bookshelf. I did purchase it from CB2. You can get it in other finishes. It comes in a chrome, it comes in a matte black, and then it also comes in this brass detail that you see here that I have. I absolutely love it. I love it that it's pretty sleek and slim, that it kind of goes on the wall and you don't have to, it doesn't have to take up that much space in your house. So that's what I really love about it. But I think it is about 96 inches tall, so it's pretty tall, and I think they come in various heights as well. But for the most part, this bookshelf, I'm not going to be changing much on it. I'm going to pretty much keep it the same, except for those boxes that you see me removing and adding back. I'm going to actually move those to my coffee table. But I'm just giving everything a wipe down. The shelves are made of glass, and they are they're not too sensitive, so you can put some things on there. As far as weight goes, I don't know how much weight each shelf holds, but I just tried to put things on there that are not too heavy so that it won't end up cracking the glass. But while I'm cleaning today, I'm actually talking on the phone to my sister. I'm always talking on the phone to somebody or listening to music. I always feel like it makes the time go by fast when you're trying to get your house clean and get things straightened up around the house. So what do you guys do when you're cleaning? Do you listen to music? Are you on the phone? I definitely think that it helps with motivating me to get things done. If I'm actually listening to music or talking on the phone, it actually helps me get things done a whole lot faster. I always get so many questions regarding my curtains or my drapes in my living room. I absolutely love these curtains. I had them up for about over a year now, and I absolutely love it. I don't plan on changing them out. They are in a faux linen. They are triple pinch pleated at the top, and then they do have a liner on the back. So these curtains are very thick and very heavy, and I just love the way they hang. They just add such a nice elegance to my windows. So the company is called Chad Made. They are an Amazon seller, but they do have a website as well. So I have them linked down in the description box below, but I highly recommend these curtains because they are just made with really good quality. They are in the color beige white, so it almost kind of looks like it's a really, really light ivory color, but they do have like over 16 or 20 different colors if you choose to get something else. But the fabric, I believe, is a faux linen. I think the fabric's choice is called Liz. So I'll have it linked down in the description box below because I highly recommend these curtains if you guys are interested in it. They are made with good quality. So yeah, so they are custom made, so you do have to measure your windows and your headers and all of that. I believe my curtains are 86 inches long. They're 52 inches wide by 86 inches long, but you have to account for the pinch pleat at the top, so they don't really go all the way up to the curtain rod because it is pinch pleated at the top. Means you have to add them to drapery hooks or drapery rings or whatever. So yeah, you have to make sure you take that into account too when you're doing your measurements, if that's the style curtain that you choose to order.
lights, sort out the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of
So now we're going to move over to my living room area. I'm just going to rotate my cushions on my sofa and my chairs. I feel like it preserves the longevity of the furniture, and also it gives me the opportunity to clean underneath it as well. All of my pillows that you'll see in this clip or this video here are pretty much previous pillows that I already had. I actually started using these some last year and then some in the beginning when I first started decorating for spring. These are particularly from Ashley P Interior, so I'll have her website linked down below because her pillow covers, they do change, and she don't necessarily always have the same style available. So but I will link her website just in case you guys are interested. This cute little pillow I did pick up from Home Goods. This is not a pillow cover, this is actually a pillow. Is by Donna Karen. It was $29.99. I absolutely love it. It has a silk covering on it, and then it has like a bronze beaded detail on it, really pretty. And I think it's like a 10 by 12 or a 12 by 10 or something like that. So it's a little bit smaller, so I thought it would look really cute next to these kind of crocodile print brown pillows that I have here. And all of my pillow covers are 22 by 22 inches, but the insert itself is 24 by 24. And you can find these inserts, just make sure you get downfilled from Amazon. Or I usually take, if I buy pillows from Home Goods and the cover can unzip, I usually take those cushions out and use those as well. It just kind of helps with storage and space, so that way I'm not having a whole bunch of pillows all over the place that I have to store. One pro tip: if you want your inserts to be nice and full, or you want your pillow to appear nice and full and lush, always go up a size with your insert. So your insert should be bigger than your pillow cover. So if your pillow cover is 22 by 22, you want to get a 24 by 24 insert. I'm going to add in these ginger jars. I got these from Home Goods. I had them for a while. They're in the brass finish. Absolutely love it. So one is larger than the other one, and the smaller one I'm going to add in these faux tulips. These faux tulips I did purchase from Amazon. They do come in other colors. I got mine in white. I would tell you that the white does fade over time. Like after a year, the white does change into like a yellowy color. But they're very inexpensive. So if you get the white, you definitely will have to switch it out again. Because the color doesn't last on there. But they have other colors as well if you are interested. But these tulips are real touch tulips. They look so realistic, so that's why I like using them. Next, I'm going to add in a few coffee table books. I'm going to add in AD at 100 and then my Live Beautifully book. So next I'm going to add in these decorative boxes. These are the boxes that I shared with you all over when I was cleaning the bookshelf. So I decided to move 2 of the boxes over here to my coffee table. And then next I'm going to add in this cute little magnifying glass. I got this from Home Goods a few years ago. It has like a ivory handle and then it has a gold finish on it. So I'm going to add that to my stack of books. I'm also going to add in a decorative candle. So this candle is by Jo Malone. This is in the English Pear and Freesia, which smells amazing. Now I'm definitely doing a maximalist style on my coffee table. Sometimes I do simplicity and sometimes I want to put all the pretty things on there. So that's what I'm doing today, is adding all of my things on my coffee table. But these tables are some, what do you call it? They are nesting tables. So I do have a second table at the bottom, but I decided to push it all the way in to give it a different look. But you can pull out that second table and use it as well. Now I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum up my rug a little bit. I did go ahead and vacuum most of my floors and everything and my rugs off camera, but I'm just going over it a second time. My vacuum cleaner is a Dyson. I think it is the V7. And then my area rugs in my living room and dining room are from Well Woven. So I'll try to have those linked down in the description box below as well. So this little vase I got from Home Goods a while ago. I'm going to add in some more of those faux tulips to it. I did add in some bags or whatever at the base of this vase just to elevate those tulips a little bit. Gonna add in another decorative box. I got that from Home Goods as well a while ago. And then my lamp back there in the back actually came from Home Goods as well. The coffee table or the side table came from Lamps Plus. And I found these cute little moss green rabbits from the Target dollar spot as well. I think they were like $3 each, so I thought that would be cute to add out here on my side table. So for this area, I saw with y'all in the beginning when I first started decorating for spring, and I absolutely still love how this has turned out and how it looks. So I'm not changing anything on this credenza. I'm just going to remove the things off, and just so I can clean everything really good. But I'm just loving how I styled everything so much that I'm going to leave it like this for a while. That large piece of art I did pick up from Home Goods. I absolutely love it. I am just obsessed with it. As you can see, it has all of my colors that I have going on in my space. So I absolutely love it. Sometimes at Home Goods, you can really find some really good quality, inexpensive artwork from Home Goods. So I definitely recommend you checking out Home Goods. Check out, even Lamps Plus have some really nice artwork as well. You just have to look in different places. But yeah, try to find really nice, good quality art. That way I'm not changing out things all the time. Once you find really good pieces, they kind of stick with you, and you don't have to keep switching them out every time you decorate. You just have to change out your accessories. My credenza is from Tall Furniture. I absolutely love it. This is the Pkwy credenza in black. It does come in gray, and then the handles have acrylic. It has acrylic and gold handles on it.
Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
So I did have to pick up a new house plant. My other fiddly fig did not survive, so I had to replace it with another one. So I'll try to remember the name and have it linked across the screen. But I love the exotic leaves on it, just super cute, and it looks really nice in this space right here. So yeah, so now we're gonna go ahead and decorate my dining room area. So I always get so many questions regarding my dining room table. I absolutely love it. I did purchase it from Wayfair. It is a dupe for the Lulu in Georgia Arden table, I believe. So, but that table, if you looked it up, is very expensive. So this one was like a fraction of the cost, because the base does have a sculptural detail at the bottom. You can't really see it because the chairs are kind of covering it up. But I absolutely love it. So I don't think that this table is still available on Wayfair, because I haven't been able to find a link for it. But yeah, but if you can search that Lulu in Georgia, I'll have it linked across I'll put it side by side so you can see what table I'm talking about. If you can search that table or search a dupe for that table, maybe you can find something similar. So these brown vases actually came from that home store, and then those wooden chains came from Home Goods. I did decide to keep the Amazon wall sconces like most of you have suggested, so I ended up putting them in my dining room for now. But I absolutely love how everything has turned out, you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and share. It really helps out my channel a lot. That is it for today's video. Thank you again to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.